So on this really hot day, I'm loving this. I'm going to be doing LED conversion for the 300zx, the headlights. Let me show you what you need. It's really simple, but I'll just show you exactly what you need, the stuff what I'll be doing. There's something else I'll be doing. I'll show you how to do it. It's really beneficial. Alright, so here we have the old HID kit. So you've got the ballast and all that. It's they work really well, but they drain a lot of power. I've actually found with these you can't use your cruise control at night. Something very strange. I'm hoping this is the new LED unit, got a fan in it. Hoping with these you'll be able to use the cruise control. So what I've done here, I made two of these just from wire connector end and that, and basically the earth, which will be connecting to the earth on there, I won't be connecting it to the earth off the old headlights. I'll be literally earthing it to the body. That way, when you turn on your high beam, your low beam stays on. It's a win-win. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So that's in there at the minute, and that's the earth. So I'll be grabbing that. Oops. Can I get it in? Turn it round. Bit of a loose fit in that way. I'll have to clamp it together. But yeah, I'll clamp it down. So they'll be going in there. And then the other part, still a bit. There we go. So the other part will be connecting onto there, where the other earth is, connecting under there. I think that's a 10mm, so we'll be doing that right now, and then I'll show you. Alright, so now this is the earth going down into there, and not into the main part. That one's just for the halo lights what I've got in. I thought I'd just tidy it up and put one in. So let me show you what happens if you earth it. Okay, so first, this side's HID, this one's LED. Okay, and then this is what happens if you put the high beam on. So as you can see, this side where it's not earthed has gone off and the high beam's gone on, whereas this side it stayed on. So there you go, that's why I'm doing it, because you get more where it's brighter. Okay, now the overall fitting of the LED itself, because it's got a big fan set up, it's quite difficult to get on. It does go in, however to me this looks like it's not straight, so I might have to alter it very slightly, but I'll see what it is like at night, you know, with the angle and everything. But so far I held my hand up to it here and it looked alright. So time to do the other side, and then that should be it. So we'll grab our new one plus this. Okay, so as you can see, it is a big squeeze with everything. This is the ballast, and this will be coming out. If I can Everything's always a ball ache one-handed. Right, I'll have to do it two-handed. Alright, so let it focus. There we go. So they're out now. Just time to get the bulb out, the HID bulb. Just pull on there. It unhooks it. There's a bit of a squeeze on this one. Better on the other one. You shall lift up. Lift them up, and then it should, it's caught on that, it should just come out like so. It's probably broken after I've just hit it. No, it's still together. Do you know what? These are actually really good. Alright, so it's freed up a bit of space around the area. I need to figure out where to earth. Could put it on there or somewhere similar. I'll find a place to earth it. Alright, I might have to make that cable longer. So yeah, same again, it's just going to go in. It is a bit of a ball ache on this side. It's a ball ache anyway, to be honest. So LED will go in. You've got to be quite, well, you don't really have to be careful. I was quite vigorous for mine, but it'll go in. You can slot the I don't know what we call them, the metal clips. You can slot them onto the metal frame of the LED, clamp it into place, and then you can wire it up. Alright, so as you can see, that's in there now, connected, and across there, and it goes to a fuse box bolt there. Okay, if you can hear it, the fan is going on there to cool it down. It's on. So we'll check the high beam. There you go, both on. So that is how you do it, that is how you make them brighter all together. Because I mean now, you know, not only have you got that one, you've also got that one going at the same time. Because I found with the HIDs, they were just as bright as the high beams on their own. So it only made sense if I put them both on. Right, so I'll probably have to align them at some point. But guys, thank you for joining me. I hope this video's helped. Do it to your car. Let me know if you've already done it, etc. Cheers for joining me, guys.